How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor Raptor-X linear visor light bar. So when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light going to your cable harness here, and you'll notice a connector. And this is to be used with our optional dual memory Cig plug, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. Now with our dual memory Cig plug, you will have power mode 1 and power mode 2, and you'll have your flash pattern toggle switch. So let's go ahead and go over some of the functions. So here, I'm using my dual memory Cig plug. So in power mode 1, I have a flash pattern programmed, and in power mode 2, I have another flash pattern programmed. So I have dual flash pattern memory. And in each power mode, I can use my flash pattern toggle switch to change flash patterns. Now I did bring a red-blue color unit here for example, so you'll notice my unit is flashing back and forth between red and blue. But we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. So let's go over a couple of those. So for example here, I brought a green clear color unit. In the middle, I brought an amber clear, and up front, I have our red blue. But again, we offer all of these models in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. Or if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle, you can use our customization tool. And you'll notice all of my units are on different flash patterns, but all of these will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. Now a really cool feature with our MultiColor Raptor-X visor bars is you can run your units in multicolor, your primary, or secondary color by using the built-in flash patterns. So for example here, I have a red, blue, amber color unit, and you'll see I have a multicolor pattern programmed in mode 1. Now in mode 2, I have a primary color flash pattern programmed. Now since this is a red, blue, amber unit, red, blue will be my primary, and amber will be my secondary. So I can go ahead and cycle to my secondary color flash patterns, and that will save in this power mode. And I still have my multicolor flash pattern programmed in power mode 1. And I can do all of this by using my optional Cig plug, or I can hardwire if I'd like to. When it comes to mounting your light bar, you'll get your included universal mounting brackets, and those will attach via the back track of your visor bar, and then you'll have your bottom screw holes here if you need to use the base mounting brackets. And we also offer optional vehicle specific mounting brackets and our optional windshield visor extender. So that covers our MultiColor Raptor-X linear visor light bar. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.